You're watching CryptoCast Daily, top crypto headlines made simple. Don't forget to like and subscribe for daily updates. Here are the top highlights shaping the crypto market today. Crypto hackers are now using Ethereum smart contracts to mask malware payloads. Dogecoin price analysis. Lower highs form as volume expands on declines. Ripple brings $700 million RLUSD stablecoin to Africa, trials extreme weather insurances. XRP symmetrical triangle forms under $3.30 breakout level in focus. Asia morning briefing. Bitcoin holds steady as traders turn to Ethereum for September upside. Solana outperforms Bitcoin, possibly poised to follow Ether's recent 200% rally, says Analyst. The Clarity Act defined mature blockchains. Here's what it missed. NFTs turned out to be a fad, says Kevin O'Leary as he buys $13 million collectible card. US CFTC gives go-ahead for Polymarket's new exchange, QCX. Stellar upgrade triggers trading pauses on major exchanges, XLM faces resistance. The protocol. Solana community approves Alpenglow upgrade. BNB gains 1.5% as corporate accumulation eyes larger share of supply. HBAR surges 3% as volume spikes signal breakout potential. Etherealize raises $40 million to bring Ethereum to Wall Street. Bullish gets cautious outlook from Compass Point. The agentic era needs a network. Crypto's real economy moment. London's $900 billion gold market could be set for digital overhaul, FT. Alpha Ton Capital shares surge on Ton Treasury announcement. Trump-linked American Bitcoin soars 60%, targets $2.1 billion share sale after Nasdaq debut. Stay tuned as we break down the details behind these headlines. Ethereum is now being used in software supply chain attacks.
Researchers found 2 malicious code packages hidden within Ethereum smart contracts.
These packages bypassed normal security checks.
The packages, Color Tools v2 and MimeLib2, were uploaded to the Node Package Manager repository.
They looked like simple tools, but they used the Ethereum blockchain to get malicious URLs.
These URLs then downloaded more malware onto infected systems.
This disguised the malicious activity as normal blockchain traffic.
This is a new tactic, showing how attackers are evolving. Solana has emerged as a strong performer in the crypto market recently.
The token traded around $211 on Monday, up 33% from early August lows.
This makes it one of the best performers in the CoinDesk 20 index in the past month.
Analysts say this rally reflects a broader rotation into altcoins.
Sergey Gorev, head of risk at uHodler, notes liquidity has been moving out of Bitcoin into second-tier tokens like Solana.
He suggests such flows could be long-term as corporate investors seek large, liquid projects.
Jeff Dorman, chief investment officer at Akka, believes Solana could replicate Ether's recent success.
He points to factors like stablecoin adoption and strong ETF inflows as potential drivers. The Commodity Futures Trading Commission has eased certain disclosure and data requirements for Polymarket's acquisition of QCX.
This allows Polymarket to expand its business offerings within the United States.
QCX received its operating license in July and was subsequently acquired by Polymarket.
The no-action letter from the Commodity Futures Trading Commission permits QCX to operate under specific guidelines without regulatory intervention.
Polymarket previously ceased United States operations in 2022 under regulatory direction.
This acquisition marks Polymarket's official return to the United States market.
The United States government has eased its relationship with the prediction market sector.
This has allowed companies like Polymarket and its rival Kalshi more operational freedom.
Upbit, a South Korean crypto exchange, temporarily suspended trading of Stellar's XLM token on Tuesday.
This precautionary measure was taken as the Stellar network prepares for its Protocol 23 upgrade.
The scheduled modernization, set for September 3, is expected to enhance scalability and accelerate transaction speeds.
Several exchanges are adopting stability measures during the transition.
XLM traded between 36 cents and 37 cents in the 24 hours leading up to the upgrade.
Volume spikes coincided with tests of resistance at the upper end of that range.
Despite multiple attempts to break through 37 cents, selling pressure kept prices capped.
Strong support formed at 36 cents.
The Solana community overwhelmingly approved the Alpenglow upgrade.
This brings the network closer to a significant transformation.
98% of Sol stakers voted in favor of the proposal.
The upgrade introduces a new consensus protocol for improved efficiency.
The Ethereum Foundation plans to sell 10,000 Ether over the coming weeks.
This is to support research, development, and ecosystem grants.
The sale will occur through centralized exchanges in smaller orders.
This follows a new treasury policy implemented in June.
Binance Coin rose nearly 1.5% to test the $860 mark.
It is at near multi-session highs after breaking key resistance zones.
The move came on unusually strong buying pressure.
Volume surged to 49,560 tokens, about 70% above the 24-hour average.
Binance Coin broke through layered resistance at $851 to $853.
A push above $854 kicked off the final leg to current levels.
These gains came as broader crypto markets flashed green.
C Industries expanded its total Binance Coin stash to 388,888 tokens worth $330 million.
Hedera's native token, HBAR, gained 3% over the past 24 hours.
This gain occurred despite moderate market turbulence.
Between September 2nd and September 3rd, the digital asset advanced from 22 cents.
Buying activity consistently supported the token at higher levels.
Trading volume surged to 69.68 million.
This is far above the 24-hour average of 37.42 million.
Institutional accumulation and bursts of activity highlighted aggressive positioning.
HBAR recorded notable intraday volatility between 1329 and 1428 on September 3rd.
Etherealize, a startup focused on Ethereum infrastructure for Wall Street, has secured $40 million in Series A funding.
The new capital follows a grant from Vitalik Buterin and the Ethereum Foundation.
It will also fund settlement engines and applications for tokenized fixed-income markets.
He believes it will upgrade institutional finance to modern, safer, and globally accessible rails.
They are also participating in regulatory discussions on Capitol Hill.
This signals growing support for blockchain-based asset issuance.
With this new funding, Etherealize plans to accelerate the development of financial infrastructure. Compass Point has given Bullish, the parent company of CoinDesk, a neutral rating and a $45 price target.
Analyst Ed Engel believes Bullish could gain United States market share from Coinbase due to lower fees.
However, he has concerns about the timing and valuation of the stock.
Engel believes Bullish is unlikely to enter United States markets until Congress passes market structure legislation, such as the Clarity Act.
This might not happen until the first half of 2026.
Even then, New York's bit license regime could be a hurdle.
Bullish holds $2.7 billion in cryptocurrency, mostly in Bitcoin, which links its performance to Bitcoin price swings. Bitcoin hit a new all-time high of over $124,000 in August.
This rally signifies crypto's integration into the global financial system.
Unlike previous cycles, this rally is not lifting the entire market.
Investors are rewarding utility, and the CoinDesk 20 index separates signal from noise.
Physical Bitcoin exchange-traded products pulled in nearly $38 billion over the past year.
Global assets under management are now beyond $165 billion.
Corporates are stockpiling Bitcoin, and the United States has created a strategic Bitcoin reserve.
Bitcoin has never looked more institutional.
Alpha Ton Capital, formerly Portage Biotch, will invest approximately $100 million in Toncoin.
The Nasdaq-listed company will operate under the ticker ATON starting September 4th.
The firm plans to manage Ton network infrastructure and incubate applications within the Telegram messaging system ecosystem.
They will also generate token staking rewards.
Shares, currently trading under PRTG, rose 14% to $7.91.
The Ton blockchain is a community-driven project supported by open-source developers.
Alpha Ton secured a $35 million loan facility from BitGo to accelerate token acquisition and staking.
Brittany Kaiser will serve as Chief Executive Officer and Enzo Villani will be Executive Chairman.
American Bitcoin, backed by Donald Trump Jr. and Eric Trump, began trading Wednesday after merging with Griffin Digital Mining.
The company quickly filed for an equity raise of up to $2.1 billion to expand its Bitcoin holdings.
At the time of the merger, these holdings amounted to 2,443 coins.
Shares surged 60% to $11 from the merger price of $6.90.
American Bitcoin formed in March from American data centers and Canadian mining firm Hut 8.
Hut 8 now owns 80% of the newly listed company.
American Bitcoin mines Bitcoin and holds it, similar to Marathon Digital.
Since its start, The company has accumulated 2,443 Bitcoin, worth approximately $160 million.
That's a wrap on this episode of CryptoCast Daily. Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you next time with more market updates, bold predictions, and fearless crypto insights.